Hello again, everybody. I am going to show you how to attach a clip to your hair bows. This is a boutique style hair bow. So I cut a little strip of ribbon. It's about 4 inches long, I believe. And this is a 4-inch long barrette too, or French clip, I think people call it as well. Okay, so I'm just going to turn this over. And I'm going to take my hot glue, and just in the center I'm going to add some hot glue. And then I'm going to press it down right there. It does get a little hot, that metal, so just be careful. Press it until it stays good. You don't have to go all the way to the ends either. It's okay to have a little gap like that. Okay, now I'm just going to take this piece of ribbon, and you can remove this if you need to, which I used to do all the time, but they're kind of a booger to get back in. So I want to, let's see, this is the top. Okay, so I'm going to start with the bottom, and I'm going to put some hot glue in there. I'm not going to put it on the ribbon because it would be too hard to get it up in there. So I'm going to just hot glue that like that. And then I can pull this around. And if you want, you can add some hot glue right there to make sure it stays. But I want to make this so they can clip another layer of bow on there if they want, which I will show you in another video. Okay, so I just want to trim this off. Now I'm going to add some hot glue on top of that ribbon. And just pull that snug. I don't want to make it too tight. Just going to put it on top of there. And just dab that down. Just pull off any hot glue strings that you've got going. Okay. Now I do like to take the lighter. Again, just dab it on the end of that so it doesn't fray. And it also works good for that hot glue mess. Okay, so just finish your, it's not snapping good. I should have checked it before I did it. Okay. So there's my little boutique style hair bow. You could put a knot in that, which I do a lot of times, but since I want to make it where they can add another layer, I wanted to leave it like that. And what I will do is make a bow on a alligator clip like that, and then they'll be able to just push it through and it'll be a stacked bow. But then they can do it like this and just have a boutique style. Okay, I want to show you another version. I made the smaller one like this. I'm going to use an alligator clip. This is the one with teeth. So what I'm going to do is just put some hot glue right there. I'm going to take that and then do like that. Just try to pull that so it adheres to that. Okay, that's on there good. Now I'm just going to put enough hot glue to stick that to the back, but I don't want it to go over. So I'm going to turn that over. Just add that right there. Just press down. Okay. Now on this one, I'm going to glue the ribbon, fold it over, glue that there. Now I can take this other piece and glue it over on top of the existing one. And I want to go a little bit further. I don't want that to be seen. And I'm going to burn it just a little bit. Go ahead and put hot glue on that. I'll lift that clip in case I go over. I did go over just a little bit, and that's fine. but I don't want to seal it shut. So there we go. It's just a little alligator clip. These are a little bit more difficult to do. That's why I wanted to show you with this one. But it is better when they have, you're talking about a little one with fine hair and the clip. All these clips just fall out of their hair. So you want to get these with the little alligator clips. You can get them at Hobby Lobby over in the jewelry where you make your own jewelry. They have all different kinds of hair clips. So here we go. All right, so, well, let me go ahead and show you how to make on the regular alligator clips like this, and you want to cover them. So you just put it in like that, fold it over, and that's how you know how much to cut. Or you can go all the way over on this side. It's up to you how you want to do it. So I'm just going to put some hot glue on here. Open that up. Get that on there. It's not exactly centered, but that's okay. Now I'm going to just put a bunch of hot glue on the back side. Fold that over so it's like that. Like I said, you can make it go longer and come all the way over here if you want. And then you will just add hot glue to here and push that against the bow. So it's like this on the bow. Be like this. Okay guys, I'm gonna make another video where I'm gonna make another layer to put on this big one. So if you want to tune into that one. Thanks guys, bye.